You're beautiful. So it's fall and we swept the leaves and it's almost Halloween. So we decided to get some costumes.
We're on the poor side for Halloween. So I'm going up here in the costume archive and we're gonna try to piece something together. Oh no!
The wind! No, the costumes! Babe.
Whoops. What do we got?
A crown.
A tiara.
Guess who? It's me, Julie.
Wigs.
Oh, wigs. Creepy mask. It looks like one of those bank tellers from Lord of the Rings. Harry Potter.
All right, so what are we gonna do?
So now we're just gonna pick
fairy wings
through
tutu.
this stuff.
Yeah, I'll probably
Remember?
put those on. All right, so we're gonna pick through this stuff and put something on. You'll see. My mom kind of just came in and took over the show.
Go clean the room.
Hi, Wack.
Oh, am I around?
Your sandwiches.
All right, time for the reveal.
Boo.
Who are you?
I'm Poncho Creep. That's all I have. I'm the Poncho Creep. Topper.
All right, my turn.
All right. All right, ready?
I am the sexy construction worker fairy with a zit on her face.
Where's the zit? Oh, there.
All right, so we're pretty festive now. I think it's time to, what, go pick a pumpkin?
Oh yeah, we need pumpkins. We want to carve pumpkins.
All right, we should probably go to the family tree. See, it's right here. Actually, a few of them have fallen already, the bigger ones.
You know, I read about these in a book once.
You never seen one before?
Not in real life.
Really? This one's not quite ready yet, but we could leave that. These two look pretty good, and the two on the ground, they were ready. Maybe we could pop that one off. Isn't it cool how the vines, they kind of grow to hold it?
Yeah.
Like that, like a cup.
Papoose.
So let's bring these back to the van and
Carve them up?
Yeah, start carving. You think my wig's gonna fit?
On the pumpkin?
Here we go. Oh. Last year, we did some carving when my grandma was still around. Julie made pizzas and I carved Archer into the pumpkins.
I tried to carve Relly, but it came out looking like roadkill.
We thought this whole thing would be a fun way to get us to like do these little Halloween-y type of things when we haven't had a lot of time to do much of anything else fun. The main reason we're doing this is to thank our Patreon members. We planned on carving pumpkins and then taking the seeds and baking them and sending some seeds to them, and then pureeing the pumpkin guts to then make some whoopies, some whoopie pies. Did you get your lid?
Yeah, I got
Oh, nice. I'm all shaky on the camera here.
Easy. Wait. That was not for you. Pumpkin's good for poops.
Look at all these guts. You gotta wait. You got pumpkin guts on your face already. So we're gonna do our best at gutting these guys out. This is gonna take us forever.
Squash.
Will it give me diarrhea?
Yeah.
Julie's got happy traced out here. We're gonna say Happy Halloween Patreon. I've got the Patreon logo, which is really difficult. That one took me about an hour. And we have plenty of guts for puree. Overflowing bowl, even after Rocky ate a bunch.
Really out like a baby.
Forgot how difficult letters were.
What letter are you on?
First P.
The first P?
Yeah. See?
There's Halloween.
This one might just be an older pumpkin. Things just hang a little differently.
Oh no. You caught me unprepared. I'm a bit indisposed.
So just imagine that's all the way carved out. There's not an O and 2 E's left over. We didn't quite finish it, but we're very close. So we're gonna wrap these up and then clean our seeds and guts and start making some treats. We gotta take a photo with our cool pumpkins. Check it out. You can kind of see, is that full blast on yours? Oh, the lid's not on.
Yeah.
You can kind of see it.
If you're standing like right in front of it, which is where the camera's gonna be.
It's actually right there. Can you see in the viewfinder? Oh, you can kind of see. So we're gonna try to get these guys in the shot with us, which is gonna be near impossible.
That's as good as it's gonna get.
Okay. All right, Rock. Come here. Not bad. We were a little off, and we felt like it was kind of dark, but I think it's just gonna crush it with saturation regardless of what we do. So now we're gonna do like 20 more of these. All right, so we're back in the van. It's a rainy day, but we're gonna use our kitchen for the first time ever just to see how it does.
So we're gonna make some whoopie pies today. I'm just gonna throw the guts in and blend them up with our mighty NutriBullet. Watch yourself there.
Don't you?
I caught you. Might be okay.
We got our bowls of puree there. And now we're on to what?
Step 2, dry stuff. And I do a homemade pumpkin pie spice blend. Rock! 1.
So here's my ground up cloves. I did it with a coffee grinder. I'm doing something. I'm a part of this. It's cloves, guys. It smells like Joanne Fabrics.
Do you know what that is?
Colander?
No. All that's gonna do is grind out any like little chunks of dry stuff.
Dust goes into cup, coffee can. Very therapeutic. Look, I'm making this nice little mountain. Okay, so we're gonna let that sit. And now what are we on to?
Marinate a little bit. Now we're on to step 3, which is our wet bowl. And this is mostly like sugar, oil, eggs, and the actual pumpkin puree, stuff like that.
It looks like a sand. Is there a proper way to whisk?
Wisp it. Wisp it good.
Whisper to it. Very sweet.
Looking good. Okay, next we're gonna add the pumpkin and the eggs. Here it goes.
Oh, she splattered. So we're gonna add our dry to this mix here.
You really only want to add a little bit at a time. If in the mail you get a box of baby vomit, that's a cookie.
Yeah.
We're on to the filling, which is basically butter, cream cheese, and sugar.
What is that, mayonnaise? All right, so we've added the remaining of the powdered sugar, we added our syrup, we added our vanilla extract, which I'm mixing in now. Whip, 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 whip. And we let it chill, just hang out.
Oh, excuse me.
Julie doesn't know how to do fart noises. So bad.
Okay, do your
I don't
best
think she was
part.
ever a child. I can do. I can do upper cheek. I can do armpit. I can do knee pit.
That's a big air one.
All right, we've jumped in time. Look, that's a whoopie pie. We made these. So these guys turned out to be more work than we anticipated. We originally thought, okay, we're gonna do all of this within the van.
But we can only cook about 6 cookies at a time, and we had to make like 65 cookies.
Yeah, but we did try it.
And we actually really like the oven.
Yeah, and the oven,
it cooked the cookies like very evenly.
the power consumption is quite a bit. And like she said, we had to do a bunch of them. So realistically, we wouldn't have been able to do it without plugging into shore power. So what we ended up doing instead was going inside and recruiting the help of my mom and aunt.
Are you filming?
Not only did we have to do like 60 to 70 cookies, we also had to do Rice Krispie treats, Halloween extravaganza.
Having a marshmallow melting race. Starting to turn orange. There's a vat of bats.
And you
Krispies.
have to keep stirring.
Now turning into bats.
Blah, 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 blah.
And then Nat's over here adding some stems. And then we attempted to make some homemade pumpkin seeds. They got a little crispy, guys. We finished cooking everything, and then the next morning we got up and we packaged it all. Bunch of seeds are going in these little baggies, which were decorated, but you know,
getting
the
greasy.
oils are coming right through it. That was poor planning on our end.
Yeah.
So, if you're a Patreon member, hopefully by this time you've received everything. All right, last minute deliver these packages. That's all. And I guess the whole reason we did this video was to say thanks. I've never really made any food and shipped it, so this was like a new experience. And
We'll
I
probably
think
never do it again.
we did the best we could. And again, it's the thought that counts. And it's a thank you.
Yeah, a little creative outlet and just a way to show our appreciation.
So for all you Patreon members, if your package has arrived already, we hope you enjoyed the little treats we sent you. And if you're not into that kind of thing, you can hand them off to somebody else, or if you're afraid to eat something that somebody else made miles away, you don't have to eat them.
So we would love nothing more for you to just throw away all that stuff that we made for you.
All right. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Trick or treat. Smell my fart. Give me something.
Tart.
I was gonna just say blart.
That's not a word.
Give me something good to tart.
I didn't say two. I just said, give me something tart. Yeah.